to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carol. Happy birthday to you.
She knows what to touch.
You want to try to blow? Let's blow together. 1, you ready? Make a wish.
2,
What's your wish?
3, blow. Blow. Blow.
Jeez. What's wrong with me? I think I need to do some exercise. You can taste the frosting.
Oh, I have the ketchup right in this. Oh.
No ketchup in a way.
Wasn't a good angle there, no.
Oh, it's such a pretty cake.
Yeah.
So what do we learn today?
Alright. Too late now.
Is it pretty? It's a pretty pink cake. Are you excited? It's beautiful. You excited? Cake.
Cake, your cake.
Oh,
Your
you got some more.
Your
Say,
cake. My cake. Well, we have enough of that already.
You get cake. Here, kiddo, you sit for a second. I want to go grab something.